Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Luluena here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back again. Today we're going to be doing like a makeup quickie. This is for emergencies, or like if you're in a hurry or something, and this makeup is just something that you can do in 10 minutes kind of makeup. So what we're going to be using our concealer, our contour, and bronzer. That's all we're going to be using for this makeup. We're not going to use a foundation or anything. I already have bio oil on my face. You can choose to use a primer, but I'm not going to use a primer because especially if you're going somewhere that you don't think you're going to spend that much time and you just want to look good, presentable, and all that, so you just use this product. So I'm going to be using I can't remember if this was Nicka K or not, but I'm using this stick. You can actually find them at your closest beauty supply store. And so I'm going to be using, it's like a 2-in-1. It has a contour and a concealer. So I'm going to be using that. And then I'm going to be using my bronzer. I'm going to be using my True Complexion bronzer. It comes with a highlight inside and also a contour, but I like to use the contour and the bronzer instead. Now we're going to start with our concealer. I like to warm this up. If you have like the sticks, always warm it up on your hand before you use it, because I feel like it comes out better when it's warmed up. So I'm just going to use that around my bags and just my dark areas. So just so to be clear, this is not like heavy makeup or anything. It's just something you just want to look presentable. Okay, it's not like all out beat face type thing. I'm going to use my contour. I'm just going to line it down. So now I'm going to get to blending. And if your skin is not really all that clear, and you're feeling insecure about just using your concealer and all that, you can use a little bit of foundation. As for you guys that think that this is just too basic for you, good. Now you want to make sure everything is blended nice and clean. So now I'm going to take my bronzer, and I'm just going to use that to warm up my face. Just using this to warm up my face so that you can look like you're a human being. So this is just assuming you've got like your brows done. I feel like that's the first thing you're supposed to do, like when you're running late. First do the brows, so that in case you didn't have enough time to finish your makeup, at least your brows are done. Your brows look good. So now I'm going to take my my bronzer, just my bronzer, and get this. I'm going to use my bronzer as my eyeshadow. So here. you wanted to add more depth into your eyeshadow, you just use your contour. So for my eyeshadow, I just used my bronzer and my contour. So now I'm going to take my concealer. I'm just going to put it on my brow bone. I'm going to take one of my small precision brushes. Okay, so now for my lip, I'm going to take my contour. I'm going to take my contour, and I'm just going to use that to line my lip. And then you always take your lip gloss and just gloss it up. So that is it for our quick makeup. The only thing I used for this video was just my contour, my concealer, and my bronzer. So aside from my brows, those are the only 3 things I use. So this is for people who are in a rush, just like a rush hour makeup. It's only going to take you like 10 minutes to pull this off. Give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.